Hey folks, today we are going to make a Ravioli Bianca Bake. This is a really simple weeknight meal. It's basically throwing a handful of ingredients together. It's really good, very rich. It's ravioli pasta and cheese and some spinach. You really can't go wrong with it. Here's a look at the ingredients we're going to need. We start off with a cooked chicken breast. That is important. So pretty simple here. Now the chicken breast, if you can pull one off of a rotisserie chicken, that's fine. Or just bake a whole breast at about 350 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes until it comes to 100 degrees internal temperature. That's Fahrenheit, of course. And go ahead and get that chopped up. So if you're enjoying these videos, I ask that you please go ahead and like the video and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out, helps us to produce more videos for you. Now that that's thoroughly chopped, we're just going to go ahead and set it aside. Next, we open up our bag of spinach, baby spinach. So I grabbed about half the bag. It is amazing how much spinach cooks down. So we're just going to give this a rough chop. Nothing complicated, nothing special here. Now we're going to use our board scraper just to scrape that up and scrape up our chicken. And if you don't have a board scraper, I'll put a link in the description. Multi-purpose tool, you'll use it all the time, and it's really inexpensive. Next, we're going to add Italian cheese blend. It's a blend of a little bit of everything that is Italian. I wish I could tell you exactly which cheeses. I can't. It's on the front of the package, but it's delicious. Using about 8 ounces of that. Now let's go ahead and give that a quick stir. Nothing complicated here. Again, I would put this in the category of a quick, easy mid-week meal. Really nothing complicated going on here. Now we're going to use a 9x9 glass pan and pour in some of our Alfredo sauce, about half the jar. Spread that around. Now, next we're going to use our ravioli. This is cheese ravioli. I prefer to use the fresh Bertolli. It costs a couple of dollars more, but it's worth every penny as opposed to that hard stuff that's been sitting on the shelf for only God knows how long. Basically, we're going to make some layers out of this, much like a lasagna. Start off with a liquid base, the Alfredo sauce, then some pasta, then some of our spinach and chicken mixture, and then we'll top it off with some more of our Alfredo sauce. A little heavy there. That's all right. We'll spread it around. So that's almost all of it, folks. This is just as simple as it gets. There's one little ravioli that got away, so threw him in. Now we use the other half of the Italian blend of cheeses. This is going to give a really nice, hard, crusty coat of cheese on top. So, should have mentioned, preheat your oven to 400 degrees and go ahead and throw that in the oven. And you're going to need to cook that for about 25 to 30 minutes at 400 degrees. In the meantime, go ahead and get your cheese grater out and grate some Parmesan here. This is going to be more, not a garnish by any stretch, but just sprinkle some on top. There's just nothing better than an Italian dish with fresh grated Parmesan on top. Doesn't that look delicious, folks? I told you that it was going to have a little hard crust. And there it is. Now the best part is we get to eat it. So just scoop it up. This is nothing fancy here. Using a spoon, using a spatula, whatever. Just throw some on the plate. And then we're going on, sprinkle some of it, and eat it, and it's absolutely delicious. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you haven't, be sure to subscribe. It really helps us out. And hope you guys try this one at home.